When I first started this, I had no clue what I was doing. I'm glad I had the assignment. I've learned a lot. The first thing we had to do was create the home page. And it was simple, just to go on the Google site and create that. As time went on, it got a little bit harder. So once I got my shell done, we moved on to our biography. So as you can see, I put a picture in here and I told some things about myself and just shared those things. I had no clue what I was doing with that. Um, the biography page looks pretty good to me, although I intended to put my picture elsewhere in here. But once I saw it, I liked it, so I left it that way. Personal choice page. Uh, I think this was my favorite because Jamaica is somewhere that I've always wanted to go. And using the Wakelet, um, it was fun. And once I caught the hang of it, um, I enjoyed putting this in. And I was glad that I got to do something that I like. So the personal choice, I would say, is my favorite one. So as you can see, I have the flag of Jamaica and some COVID information and the travel advisory, just more information and a YouTube video update on it. Resources, we have, do we have anything in 2.0 resources? No, but the Wakelet is where I was able to uh, put mental health because that's what I'm doing right now. I'm working in mental health. So I thought it was a good idea to put what I'm currently doing in mental health. Um, it's very important here the 5 signs of mental illness, the types of mental illness. Also have a YouTube video. I try to incorporate a video everywhere in here, and just the mental health wellness tips and website. Let's see. Technology projects. The digital story, I want to say, probably was not exactly the hardest, but it was the scariest because I had no clue of what I was doing with this. And I had a hard time trying to figure out what I was going to do my um, digital story on. And I don't know, it was Mardi Gras time, so I say, well, let's talk about Mardi Gras. So it took a while, but I finally got the hang of it. This is really not hard. It's just that for me, since I've never done anything this with this much technology before, it took a while for me to catch on, and I had to talk to Dr. Harriman a lot. But once I got the understanding, I was able to roll with it. So this was the hardest, but I really enjoyed it once I got it done. Okay, and the mobile apps. I had never heard of these apps, and this one was chosen for me. I've never heard of Do Inc., but I do like it. And this is definitely something once I go back into the classroom, I definitely want to incorporate that. I think the kids will really enjoy it. I think it's going to be fun. Um, PLN, PLE, this was okay. Your personal learning environment and all that. We do it all the time as teachers. We just don't know what to call it. So this was nice. Now, I had a little bit of trouble at first going back, putting in the reflections and embedding everything where you can just click on it and get the link. So it took me a minute before I caught on to that, but usually once I get it, I can roll with it. So this class definitely brought me out of my comfort zone. So I'm glad that I did take this class. Dr. Harriman is a wonderful teacher. She's very kind and patient, and that's exactly what I needed because I was very new with this. So um, I think I'm going to try to do the Apple Teacher certification, providing that we have enough time. But this is my screencast. I hope that is everything that I need. It was a pleasure. It was scary, like I said, coming out of my comfort zone. So this was one for the books for me, but I have no regrets. I have really enjoyed everything that I've learned, and it's been fun now that I can just take a sigh of relief that I'm done with it. And I never thought I would be able to do these things. I did it all on my own. The only help I had was calling Dr. Harriman and talking with her, and she took the time out to talk to me, explaining to me where I can get it. So thank you, Dr. Harriman. I really appreciate it. And I really enjoyed this class.